Watch Ashley show you how to have the summer glow. She's going to prep with her moisturizer Grant Me Shelter and the Smooth Operator Perfecting Primer. She's going to use our color corrector, blend that all over, and then she's going to contour with our dark coffee cream to powder, and then set the makeup with our Do It To Me Hydrating Mist. After blending very good with her blending brush, she's going to apply our Papa Peach highlighter for the perfect summer glow. She's going to touch all the places where the sun would just give you that glow and really enhance your skin. After applying the Papa Peach, she is going to use our White Cloud eyeshadow on the eye area and our little bit of sun bronzer. Watch where she applies to give the perfect highlight and glow. After that, she's going to use the same contour powder on her eyes. Watch how she really highlights her eyes and really brings the drama for the sun glow look. Is absolutely beautiful. And then she's using our Kalamata lip liner, and she'll be using the Sugar lip gloss. Be sure to follow us for more makeup and skincare tips, and thank you for watching.